Welcome to Jacob Grant Property Management. Today we're doing a virtual tour, 1951 Lorraine. This is located on the west side of Idaho Falls. Go ahead and have a quick look around the neighborhood here. So it's a well-established neighborhood. As you can see, we do have two-car garage here. And it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, split-level home. So, here in the entryway, you have the option of going upstairs or going downstairs. Upstairs is where the kitchen, bedrooms, and bathroom are located, and downstairs has an additional bathroom and bedroom. So we'll head upstairs first. We have these beautiful tall vaulted ceilings here, the upstairs level. Nice big window in here, nice flooring as well. Really open floor, just makes it feel extra spacious. Here's our dining area with doors leading out to the back patio. Here's our kitchen. Nice big window over the sink, all major appliances. Nice big back patio area here. Nice big backyard as well. All right, we have a coat closet here to the right. First door on the left is our upstairs bathroom. Got new flooring in here. And there is a door here, passageway door that leads to what I would consider the master bedroom. We got double closets in here as well as a nice big window. Right next door is our second bedroom. Also has a nice big window and a nice big closet. Here is our third bedroom. We'll head downstairs and have a look. So the door here to the right leads out to the garage. We got nice tile here, as well as additional storage under the staircase. Here's our second living room. And here is our second bathroom. This is also where you will find your washer and dryer hookups. And that concludes our virtual tour, 1951 Lorraine. If you're interested in this property or any others, please visit us at jacobgrant.com or call 522-3138. Thank you.